Never walk street with an empty machine, every clip penciling around me full. I ain't doing no war with a.
Brother, man, a 66, brother, man, I walk up and with an empty machine. You think say me a bumbuckler, idiot? Eh? You think say me a full? Everything full up to the brim. Everything full up like a cup of coffee. Yeah? Not the Costa one, no, not the McDonald's one. Because McDonald's one give you half a cup of coffee and go like enough. More fun like the McDonald's with my 2 teeth. Give it coffee. Give it bumbuckler. Yo, what is up, guys? Jamaica'S here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Abra, Cadabra, my G. A few months I don't hear you say nothing. Nothing! But you're here again with something, right? Right! That is it now. So, today, I'm reacting to Cadabra Freestyle Part 2. Cadabra Freestyle Part 2. Let's jump into that one and hear what the G have to say. You know how I feel about Abra. Highly rated. Rating highly. Sick. Wordplay sick. Pun sick. Simile sick. Metaphor sick. Is there? Everything sick. So let's see what the G has say in our freestyle. Yeah, let's go. Run, please.
Look, I've been through the pain and the suffering. That's why I thank God for the paper and hustling. Don't like the fame with the hustling. 3-8 tucked to my boxes, them time, that's what I call get them hustling.
Pull up! 3-8 tucked in the boxes, that's what I call it. Run, please! Yeah.
Look, I've been through the pain and the suffering. That's why I thank God for the paper and hustling. Don't like the fame with the hustling. 3-8 tucked to my boxes, them time, that's what I call get them hustling. Love chat on the net, but it's silent. Sprints when the hunting or shotgun stuttering. Bro, this sneeze when I.
It's a silent thing when you're hunting. What? What you say? What you just say? Let's go!
For the paper and hustling, don't like the fame with the hustling. 3-8 tucked to my boxes, them time, that's what I call get them hustling. Love chat on the net, but it's silent. Sprints when the hunting or shotgun stuttering. Bro,
when the unconary shotgun starts stuttering, bomber clap boy dead. That is it now. Talking about run please.
That's why I thank God for the paper and hustling. Don't like the fame with the hustling. 3-8 tucked to my boxes, them time, that's what I call get them hustling. Love chat on the net, but it's silent. Sprints when the hunting or shotgun stuttering. Bro, this sneeze when the hunting's covered him. Tell me, which one of them want test again? I could put 6 in this thing, which one dead again? Who one led again?
Which one dead again? Me can put 6 in I think. Pussy shoot up your head, man. Bloss out your jelly for you. What you said to me? Eh?
Chat on the net, but it's silent. Sprints when the hunting or shotgun stuttering. Bro, this sneeze when the hunting's covered him. Tell me, which one of them want test again? I could put 6 in this thing, which one dead again? Who one led again? Made a shotgun, everything's spread there.
Two you get out of 6. How much left? 4. Quick maths. Run please. What you say?
I remember that day when I tried to hit 10 of them. That day we took chase on the Fed and then
Buckler, man. God. The God at them. What you say?
Look, I've been through the pain and the suffering. I thank God for the paper and hustling. Don't like the fame with the hustling. 3-8 tucked to my boxes, them time, that's what I call get them hustling. Love chat on the net, but it's silent. Sprints when the hunting or shotgun stuttering. Bro, this sneeze when the hunting's covered him. Tell me, which one of them want test again? I could put 6 in this thing, which one dead again? Who one led again? Made a shotgun, everything's spread there. I remember that day when I tried to hit 10 of them. That day we took chase on the Fed and then went round there a couple days.
Y'all know not try to knock 10 of them, brother? 10? Jesus! You have 6 bullets in there, gonna try and knock 10 and your friend them. Hey? That means you have to get 5. Make a look at one thing missing. But you get 5 by yourself in Abra. You as a branch, them get 1 each. Yeah, I mean? Warzone, Call of Duty, Modern Warfare, Cadabra. Let's go!
In this thing, which one dead again? Who one led again? Made a shotgun, everything spread of them.
Yeah.
I remember that day when I tried to hit 10 of them. That day we took chase on the Fed and then went round there a couple days later. Made a hunting shell again. Help me out, I'm losing myself. I pray to God and I can help me out. I'm drowning out. I can see I'm losing myself.
Brother, you're talented. You fuck, the man can sing, the man can rap, the man can. Yo, Abra, you're sick, you know, bro. Pick up the whole OFB, you know. Yeah, man.
Help me out, I'm drowning out. I can see I'm losing myself. I swear I'm losing myself. I pray to God and ask you hold me down. I pray to God and ask you hold me down. I feel the hair's growing now. I'm losing myself. I'm losing myself. This life is a cycle, I'm stuck in it. I got gunshots on my rivals. I can never see a brother that done my brother anything and let him slide. How can I let him slide?
You mad? Me can never stand aside and know so that pussy they do something to one of my brethren. I'm for slide. Eh? The only time you slide I went gunshot, a picture body and you try run left gunshot and you slide, I'm gonna drop and banana. Run, please. You're not bad. You're not bad. Me I kill you. You touch my friend, you touch my brother, me I kill you.
So my rivals, I can never see a brother that done my brother anything and let him slide. How can I let him slide?
No.
We out function, we jeopardize it. But we stabbing niggas up, we don't televise it. Yeah. Remember them days we was terrorizing. Any up that we saw, we should have been revising. So that block knocked that we don't terrorize it. When the text rising, all hell's rising. I get a Chester. From a block of gunmen turn rich niggas. Order of fucking far. Boss my.
From a black gunman turn rich nigga, the whole of we make money. And I'm me alone, I eat the whole of we make food. The whole of we on top of the game. Wanna say? Eh? Wanna say? Run, please. What you say to me now?
I get a Chester. From a block of gunmen turn rich niggas. Order of fucking far. Boss my gun even when I had 6 figures. We was bad but we never had sticks with us. Back my flick side count and dip you up. Man, your Mac on my index will lift you up. It's been a while so my index itch you.
Yo, we bad from before we have money for buy gun, brother. We bad from blood clamors. From knife days, from where I got school. Ask the man and said out a school gate. Ask the bumbuckler tuck shop at school gate. We bought from them time there. No joke. Run, please.
Order of fucking far. Boss my gun even when I had 6 figures. We was bad, we never had sticks with us.
Know that.
Side count and dip you up. Man, your Mac on my index will lift you up. It's been a while so my index itch you. I could find another way out of all of this and I would. Now I'm in too deep and I'm way too deep and I should be. But I could be greater than this, I could be. Oh, if I could find another way out of all of this, then I would. But I'm in too deep and I'm way too deep and I should be. Oh, but I could be greater than this, I could be. Hey. I ain't never walked street with an empty machine, every clip penciling around me full. I ain't doing no war with a.
Brother, man, a 666, brother. Man, I walk up and with an empty machine. You think say me a bumbuckler idiot? Eh? You think say me a fool? Everything full up to the brim. Everything full up like a cup of coffee. Yeah? Not the Costa one. No, not the McDonald's one. Because McDonald's one give you half a cup of coffee and go that's enough. Move from there the McDonald's with my 2 teeth. Give it coffee. Give it bumbuckler.
Oh, I could be greater than this, I could be. Hey. I ain't never walked street with an empty machine, every clip penciling around me full. I ain't doing no war with a you on it. I don't respond to man on Insta about pull up. No.
We not do that, brother. We are a keyboard warrior, brother. We not respond to no boy on internet to tell we will all pull up. Go pull up under your mama, boy. Go pull up under your mother. Had that me I tell you. Wait till me catch your road in person. Wait till me catch your road in person, Mr. McPherson. Watch me your gunshot, boy. Ready?
I ain't never walked street with an empty machine, every clip penciling around me full. I ain't doing no war with a you on it. I don't respond to man on Insta about pull up.
No.
When I pull up, I don't need the whole world seeing my invitation. Till I come to and leave man faceless, I don't want witness statements. I didn't say I've jumped on the off-beat flick when I was the flip before off-beat. I can never take chat from my wannabe. Flick shank days, I was bad in my wallaby.
Yeah, that? From then down, we're burning our bumbuckler wallabies. From them time, we're burning out. Yo, me ready you to your fuck. Yo, me ready you to your fuck.
When I was the flip before off-beat, I can never take chat from my wannabe. Flick shank days, I was bad in my wallaby.
Definitely.
But never in front of me. Any drill that I done properly. So I hate when the police bother me. Why they try and keep stopping me? I really.
The man say anything him do it properly. So him hate when children to bother him. Brother, if me not do something, don't bother me feet. Not because you know some me do things in the area. Don't bumbuckler pull up unless you definitely know see me. Because for me, I take my time feet. Don't bother me, Trident. No, Trident, don't know yourself in the Trident. Lord the man, no. Lord the bumbuckler man in the Trident.
Any drill that I done properly. So I hate when the police bother me. Why they try and keep stopping me? I really live this life. I got down up to my time. I ain't never been shy to jump in the ride. Put on my mask and slide with the guys. Kush pulled up in this brilliant timing. Hit on my niggas like, yo, who's sliding?
Yeah, big up on my clan Kush. Man say Kush pulled up in the brilliant timing. You know, so them say black people always there. No, that I like. Kush timing perfect. Who's sliding? Put on my mask and slide with the guys. Kush pulled up in this brilliant timing. Hit on my niggas like, yo, who's sliding? Grab the machine and fill it with buying if they say we're inside and who's outside. Smooth thing with the whistle was a... Oh, no! Yo! What my son there? Don't ramp with me. Don't ramp with bomber clap me. I really live this life. I got down up to my time. I ain't never been shy to jump in the ride. Put on my mask and slide with the guys. Kush pulled up in this brilliant timing. Hit on my niggas like, yo, who's sliding? Grab the machine and fill it with buying if they say we're inside and who's outside. Smooth thing with the whistle was a 2.5, but a grand power goes boom, bye bye. I remember when we couldn't get a 3.5. Now we buy a machine like a parent now. I couldn't, man say, remember when time they couldn't get the machine them time, they know. Him buy a machine like a pair of Nike. Foot like a me a go, JD me a go. Pair of Nike. Grand power goes boom, bye bye. I remember when we couldn't get a 3.5, now we buy a machine like a pair of Nike. Look at how my niggas really do live this life. We don't back machine and air in sky. Back machine and air on guys. Yo, we no back machine and air in sky. What it means to say, man say, yo, me no back machine and shoot off a god foot. Me no back machine and shoot in the air. And a fireworks this pussy. Anytime this jump out, boy brain a jump out. Know yourself. Run please. Know me? Some niggas really do live this life. We don't back machine and air in sky. Back machine and air on guys. Hope the doctors get there in time. You could lose your life. Pussy, if you make it, if you're lucky if you make it in time. If you're lucky if you're not dead, for that to have a chance to save, I hope them get it. I hope them be there in time. If not, air in sky, back machine and air on guys. Hope the doctors get there in time. You could lose your life. Looks up when my dogs creep up. 9mm stuffed in the heater. Keep on running with your friends, but pray keep up. From the belly to the forehead, we ain't hitting knees. I didn't cut when I bust up. From the belly to the forehead, brother. Upper body we are hit, brother. We not hit no kneecap. What that for? We don't want cripple you. Eh? We don't want them amputate your foot. Eh? We not do that. In the heater, keep on running with your friends, but pray keep up. From the belly to the forehead, we ain't hitting knees. I didn't cut when I bust. Now my whole team's up. I was broke, now I'm richer than my old teacher. No one's losing here, no alopecia. Sir, I miss me richer than you now. The man say, yo, I was broke, then I'm now me richer than my old teacher. Teacher, how you feel now? Remember you was in lesson talking about Abra will never come out of nothing and keep going to prison. Wrong! How you feel? Wrong! Cut when I bust, now my whole team's up. I was broke, now I'm richer than my old teacher. No one's losing here, no alopecia. And they say we just rap, must be amnesia. Nah, lose my ear. Rappers and fucking alopecia. Don't let it twist this. Fuck a statement, man. Leave behind bodies and spent showcases. Still on the front line, raising the gun crime, no. Still at the front line, raising the gun crime. I try that, I'm not involved in that part. I am not involved in that part. Leave me with that. Not a fucking vibe.
H1K made this.
Yo, that youth, you're talented, yo. Fuck. Y'all know what I think about Abra already. From the first song we react to Abra. Abra does different. Not different, you know. Different. Abra is one of them artists, the ones Abra start, you know, say, yo, expect to get some fire in your wire till you beg him for retire. You know? Yeah, I saw the man sick, brother. The man sick like hospital, brother. Run, please. Guys, if you enjoy the reaction, I want to see more bumbuckler reaction from your G, which is me. Hit the subscribe button. I dare you. If you don't hit the like button yet, a spider go cry in your ears when you're asleep. Don't make him do it. This is how we're going to leave the one there. See you in the next one. Run!